الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام ومنهم من يستمع إليك وجعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإن يروا كل آية لا يؤمنوا بها حتى إذا جاءوك يجادلونك يقول الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
Translation. And among them are some who listen to you, but we have put covering on their hearts so they cannot understand it, and in their ears is a deafness, and even if they see every verse sign, still they will not believe in it, so much so that when they come to argue or dispute with you, the disbelievers say, "This is nothing but legend tales of ancient peoples." Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created humans with many qualities, both physical and spiritual. And if a quality or a function is not used for a long time, that function is lost. For example, scholars say that if someone has put covering on his eye for a long period of time and does not use the vision of that eye will be lost. Similarly, if somebody has put cast on his joints and those joints are not moved for a long period of time, the ability of that joint to move will be lost. Similarly, spiritual things that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, for example, understanding the truth as truth and falsehood as falsehood, if somebody continues to ignore those calls from his heart, he will lose the ability to identify the truth. And once he loses the ability to identify the truth, it is as if his heart has been locked by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they will not see the signs even if they are shown the signs, because they have covering or locking on their hearts and their eyes and their ears and all the faculties. So this is the end result of doing kufr over time again and again and again, that one loses the ability to identify the truth. And once that happens, no matter how many times you show that person the sign or a miracle, he will not understand that. And these people called the ayahs of Quran as the tales of the previous nations. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us use all our faculties and senses rightfully, so that we retain these faculties and these senses. Ameen. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.